We all want to earn money, and the best thing about today's world is that there are countless ways to earn money through the internet. Now, if you want to increase your wealth, you first need to learn exciting ways about how to make it. Side hustles are the best way to make money doing something in which you are fervent about. When you take one or more profitable side hustles to keep your income, you will have more money to focus on things like paying down debt, enhancing your emergency funds, investing for your future, and having extra fun cash during your downtime. What's up guys, welcome back to Glory Investing Show. In our today's video, I'm going to tell you about one of the amazing side hustle ideas for 2022 that will help you in multiplying your wealth.
And why someone would want to be a friend on that site, and what to look out for if you are being rented.
So if you don't have any money to invest, don't worry, you can rent yourself just as you can rent your car. I know you might be thinking that I sound crazy. I thought the same way when I heard about it for the first time, but when I researched, it made more sense. Several studies say that millennials and Gen Zs are the loneliest generations to date, with all the great things that our internet surpluses gave us. The one downside is that it is very difficult to build relationships in real life. And this is the main reason Rent-A-Friend is a good thing. It's completely spiritual, just friendships and not more than that. Remember, Rent-A-Friend is severely for friendship purpose website, and it is neither a dating website nor an escort agency. You don't have to become someone's boyfriend or girlfriend, so you don't need to be afraid of that. Be someone's friend, and what will be more interesting than getting money for becoming someone's friend? You can also enjoy a lot, such as you can get a free meal when another person has hired you for a dinner in a restaurant. I don't know about you, but I would definitely love to become someone's companion.
Rentafriend.com says it can help find a friend near you, but is it safe?
Now, we will discuss what this website actually does. How can you earn money through this website and how this website works? Let me tell you that Rent-A-Friend is basically a website that allows you to rent a local friend worldwide. You can simply rent yourself on this website and it will become your best side hustle, especially after the lockdown, because many people want to meet with others. Most of the people on this website are looking for a friend so they can go to an event, explore a new city, eat at a new restaurant, and the good thing is that they will pay all the expenses. What you have to do is post a listing of yourself, list your hobbies, name the city that you're living in, and set the time at which you're available. What else? Well, pretty much nothing. Just wait for someone to contact you. There are no schedules or minimum amounts of time that you have to put in, so you can do whatever you want. Also, you don't need any certificates, degrees, or skills in order to rent yourself.
As a single mom living in the Valley, Chris says the site looked like a great opportunity. What she needs to know before meeting someone to protect herself.
How much you will make really depends on the activity, location, and other factors. Most of the people on this website start from $10 per hour but are willing to negotiate. This cost can even increase if someone chooses you for a workout or some other expensive stuff. However, some people also waive their fee if you're going for a sport event or concert and you have the tickets as well. You would not believe me, but some people are making more than $90,000 a year, which is mind-blowing. And this does not factor in all the free food and stuff they get either.
Well, depends on how you feel about meeting a total stranger, but the website doesn't do all the work for you.
This website is super easy to use. No matter which city you live in, all people do is enter the location they wish to search on the friend search page. And let me tell you that once they choose the location of where they're looking to find a new friend, they instantly see available friends in that certain location. Here it is important to know that the website also shows those person's interests. Apart from that, it also shows those person's pictures. Moreover, they can also read their profiles and can see what they're interested in for free. Now we will discuss what those people want to rent a friend need to do. Well, first they have to register themselves and pay the membership fee. Once they have paid the membership fee, they are allowed to contact friends on the website. The website will show you the results of the people who are 30 to 40 miles away from you. The website further lists the most active friends for that location. Well, privacy is a big factor in this business. Should you be worried about your privacy? When you try to rent yourself on this website, you will be completely anonymous to others searching for you. They will not be able to see your name, email address, or any of your personal information. The website assures you that it respects your privacy concerns, and it also says that your personal data will never be shared or sold to any other person. If someone still has any concerns, the website can also give you a 100% refund. Imagine there is not only one but thousands of ways people are enjoying spending and meeting with new friends on Rent-A-Friend, and most probably you will also love to spend your quality time.
Like a social butterfly, I really am. I make friends everywhere.
Make friends and make money.
The website will show your profile to those people who are near to your location, most probably within 40 miles. Mostly those people who are your age would want to meet you. The website uses an algorithm to send multiple messages. It feels perfect for the match.
But she's been forced to figure out a way to make some cash.
If you guys want to see the real testimonials and reviews, there they are. You can also read more by going to the website.
I called Rent a Friend and decided to join last week.
You haven't been rented yet?
No, I haven't.
One of the persons, Steve M. Arizona, says that he is a movie fanatic, and he always tries to catch each movie that comes out in theaters, but the main problem with him was he never wanted to go alone. He always needed someone who can enjoy the movie, then catch a bite to eat afterward and talk about it. Rentafriend.com was proved to be great for him. He now has an endless supply of people to contact. The other person, named Steve G. Washington, says that he had to travel for work about 10 days a month. He was sent all over the United States for a couple of days at a time, and he had to go alone. He was happily married and wasn't looking for anything more than just a friend. He wanted a friend with who he could go out with, to grab a dinner, maybe even catch a movie while he was away. The good thing is that his wife found the website rentafriend.com and signed him up. Now he has friends from all over the United States.
Meet with people and you're like, hey, let me show you my city.
The creator says this is a strictly platonic website.
As of today, there are almost 621,585 people who are available for hire from all over the world. This number shows that people have already made this a side hustle, and this number will even grow further.
The site offers these safety recommendations to its members. Simone hopes a guy or a girl who's ready to get in Detroit's hottest spots.
With all the good things, there are certain things that you need to be careful of. One warning though is that you need to be careful of the strangers that you will meet because you do not know anything about the other person. The major reason for that is Renting a Friend does not perform any background check. So make sure to take some safety precautions, and the hangouts could always be a little awkward.
Some friends have reportedly made $200 to $300 a month.
Well, that will be all for today's video, guys, and thanks for watching it. So if you like this video, smash this like button, and you see these two videos that are currently popping up on your screen, click on them if you'd like to get familiar with our channel and show us some support. Take care, and we'll see you in our next video.